All right, so this is where Sam's Club is still king when it comes to your snack packs. What you're gonna notice, even though the prices are increasing in these times, you're getting a 50 box for these in in the bowl set, whether it's whatever flavor you want.
Cool and tangy.
This is your regular
this is what we
variety.
know. Yeah.
The problem is when you go to the other wholesale stores, what you're normally getting is in and around for that same $18 to $20, you're getting 30 bags. If you got 2 kids, for example, and you're sending them 1 bag of chips each day in their lunch, you're talking about the difference of 25 days versus 15 days.
True.
And those 15 days is considering that the kids love every flavor in there. If there's one thing they're particularly avoiding.
Do they have 50 packs at Beach? So, you know how we have all the wholesales. We have Costco, Sam's Club, BJ's, and we go to Restaurant People. But the Sam's Club, I want you guys to see, this is the Scan and Go savings.
You can go up to the front and pay $16.99 for this, but if you use the app, you will get the same item that you would have paid $17 for up front for $13 or $12.98.
What I like about Sam's Club than the other wholesalers is that they do these like packages, like family favorites. This one over here is Game Time, so it has Pop-Tarts and Pringles in it, and it's not just like the regular snack packs that you'll get with the Doritos and the Cheetos and Ruffles and stuff like that.
So you won't normally find these in the stores. They call it the Fiesta favorites. This is gonna be either like lime or the hot spicy, but these are sometimes ones that are hard to find in the store, just the one bag itself. And you get a good amount of some of these, like the extra flaming hot, the flaming puffs, for example, queso ruffles. Again, ones that are harder to find sometimes in your state, and Frito-Lay's, for example, will do these exclusively for that particular wholesale club.
So this is the flaming hot mix. If you want everything flaming hot, Funyuns flaming hot.
It all.
Yeah, this one. This if you grew up in Miami,
this is where it started at. Fancy. This is where it's getting
super
a little
fancy,
ridiculous.
Super fancy.
And then the last one that I haven't tried.
Yeah,
this
I've never
is the
tried
only
that
one I think that I haven't tried yet.
Look how cute this is. This is a Tostitos, 6 of the nacho cheese and 7 of the chunky salsa. So this is like a really good, I'm going to a Disney park day or the zoo, and you want to give the kids a snack that's kind of like fancy. This is a really good option. It's $20. Sam's Club near you.